All right, y'all, so today we're gonna be making stuffed bell peppers. I'm just gonna do a vegetarian style. We got this Spanish rice. We've never had the Spanish rice, but we've had the, I think, cilantro and lime, and it's pretty good. And this is made from vegetables. So, curious to see how that's gonna taste. And then we got our cheese. We got some tortilla strips, black beans, diced tomatoes, picante sauce for the topping. We got some corn, so onion, garlic, what is this? Chipotle and adobo sauce. And it said to remove the seeds because if you don't, it'll be really hot. So I did that. Green onion, cilantro. We got some fresh flour tortillas. And I got this chop kit. It's garden lime crunch. So that should be good. I already got everything prepped and washed. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do the mixture to everything. We're gonna stuff them, stick them in the oven, and then it'll be done.
Every time I sip on codeine, I get wrong. Annoying the sounds of the storm when it comes. She understand I can't take her everywhere niggas going. I've been in the field like the children of the corn. I can hear the tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at yourself cause you can't leave me alone. Gossip and messy, it ain't what we doing. Traveling around the world, over the phone dropping shells. I get my phone when I can feel. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel. The real one, exactly what it is. I'll say it cause you know that's why I want to hear. Yeah. I've been trapping around the world. Sit on my balcony and wonder how you feeling. I got a career that takes my time away from women. I cannot convince you that I love you for a living. I be on your line, feelings flowing like a river. You be texting back, you and Kiki on the river. Message say deliver, but I know that y'all don't get it. Why you introduce us if you knew that you was with him? Made me shake his hand, we got been fucking for a minute. Walk me off the plane because you know that I'm a swimmer. Supposed to be a dog, but you done put me in a kennel. Girl, put a muzzle on it, all that barking over dinner. I was fucking with you when you were at the time.
All right, y'all, this is how the rice is looking. I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. See what it tastes like. Pretty good. All right, so if you want your peppers to be soft, I notice you have to boil them first because if you don't, they'll probably be crunchy. And then we can go ahead and do the rest of the mixture. So we got the beans, corn, onions, and all that. Put the rice in there. Tomatoes. We'll add the cheese. And of course, this is based on how much you want. So, and I won't put a lot of cilantro. I'll just put it. You can use the rest for the top. Man, this made a lot. Now we're gonna go ahead and stuff these peppers. Make sure they're dry.
Crying at night, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Don't get you look so nice, being unnice, you're rude. Look what you're putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold time. I need to hold a corner, and it's no wine. One time, I need you, 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 I need you. Right now we're just taking time. All the things are on your mind. They ain't going bad when I treat you right. I don't care how you look so nice. Crying at night, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new.
All right, y'all, I ended up taking it out a little bit early because I forgot this rice is, it's veggie rice, so, and then the cheese was starting to brown, so I didn't want it to overcook. But I think it's gonna be good. Yes, so I added just a tad bit more cheese when I brought it out. So I'm gonna let that melt down a little bit. But yeah, you can see, got a little crunch. So.
Darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap. Take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a rap.